Be ready. Start. This appeal challenges the judgment and order dated 17th October 2022 passed by the learned single judge of the High Court of Judicature at Bombay Bench at Aurangabad in criminal writ petition number 246 of 2021, by which the learned single judge dismissed the writ petition preferred by the present appellants. The writ petition had been filed with the prayer to quash the order dated 24th December 2020 passed by the learned Assistant Sessions Judge Sangam Ner, District Ahmednagar, wherein the learned Assistant Sessions Judge had rejected the application preferred by the appellants seeking discharge from the charges punishable under sections 306 and 34 of the Indian Penal Code 1860 pending against the appellants before the court of the Assistant Sessions Judge Sangam Ner in Sessions case number 75 of 2015. Para. The facts which lead to the present appeal are as under. On 20th March 2015, the police station Asvi, District Ahmednagar, received an accidental death report (khabar) by one Vikas Bhahu Sahib, who stated that on the same day at about 10 am, his sister Jyoti, aged about 25 years, had committed suicide by hanging herself from the iron pipe situated in the bathroom of her parental house, where she had been residing for the past 2 years. Para. Subsequently, on 25th March 2015, Mrs. Sindhu Bai (respondent number 2), mother of the deceased, lodged a complaint at the said police station. According to the complaint, the deceased had been married to Prakash, appellant number 1, on 19th November 2009, after which she had given birth to twin sons. After marriage, disputes arose between the deceased and her husband and in-laws from time to time, with the complainant alleging that the deceased had been mentally and physically tortured at her matrimonial house. However, on the intervention of the complainant and her family, the disputes were patched up and the deceased was sent back to her matrimonial home. Soon thereafter, owing to persisting acrimony at her matrimonial home, the deceased and appellant number 1 started residing separately away from the matrimonial home in Lonikan, Pune. It was further alleged that on 8th August 2013, appellant number 1 had physically abused the deceased over a demand of rupees 20 lakhs for the purchase of a new plot of land. After this incident, the deceased came to reside at her parental house. Subsequently, a criminal case being Criminal MA number 175 of 2013 came to be filed before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class Sangam Ner against the husband and in-laws of the deceased under section 12, 18, 20 and 22 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. During the pendency of the criminal case, a Mahalok Adalat was held in the court in Sangam Ner on 17th February 2015, which was attended by the complainant, the deceased and the present appellants, among others. The complainant (respondent number 2) alleged that on the said day, the present appellants told the deceased that they were not ready to reach a compromise in the matter and further that she would not be allowed to go back to her matrimonial house. Stop. The deceased was further advised by appellant number 1 to remarry as he would not accept her or her children at the matrimonial house. Stop. Subsequent to this incident, the deceased would frequently say that she would commit suicide as her life no longer held any meaning. Stop. Thereafter, on 20th March 2015, the deceased committed suicide by hanging herself from an iron pipe with the aid of a sadi. Stop. Para. On the basis of the complaint, a first information report being crime number 12 of 2015 was lodged under sections 306 and 34 of the IPC against Prakash Pandurang within bracket appellant number 1, Pandurang within bracket appellant number 2, the father-in-law of the deceased, and Pradeep Pandurang within bracket appellant number 3, the brother-in-law of the deceased, at the aforementioned police station. Stop. Upon completion of the investigation, the charge sheet came to be filed on 28 September 2015. Stop. Para. Being aggrieved thereby, the appellants filed an application under section 227 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1935 before the trial court, praying to be discharged from the said case. Stop. The trial court, by its order dated 24th December 2020, rejected the aforesaid application on the ground that there was sufficient ground to proceed against the appellants